Solve this system of equations using the elimination method. With the elimination method of solving a system of equations, you combine the two equations and in the process eliminate one of the variables. With some sets of equations, none of the coefficients are multiples of each other. In this system, do you see that neither the x nor the y are multiples of each other? So to use the elimination method with a system like this, we need to multiply both equations to get a common multiple. Let's say we want to eliminate x. So multiply this equation by -3 and this equation by 2. So let's do that. Multiply this equation by -3, which gives us coefficients of -6, -15, and this changes to -33. Multiply this equation by 2 to get these coefficients, 6, -8, and 10. So you see that the -6 and the +6 cancel each other out. So if we combine these equations, we get -15 and -8 is -23y equals -33 plus 10 is -23. So y is equal to 1. We take this value of y equal 1 and plug it into one of the equations to solve for x. So we get 3x minus 4 times 1 equals 5. 3x minus 4 equals 5. Add 4 to both sides of the equation and we get 3x equals 9. Divide both sides of the equation by 3 and we get x is equal to 3. So the solution to this system is y equals 1 and x equals 3.